see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Hi guys! Good morning! Today is October 30, Friday. And merong magti-take over ng aking vlog. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, si Holly nagbo-vlog na ulit siya. Halos araw-araw siya nag-upload sa channel niya. And mas updated siya kaysa sa akin. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapanood sa channel niya, please, bisitahin niyo yung All Things Holly. And please, subscribe din kayo. Supportan natin itong maliit kasi sobrang daldal niya sa mga vlog niya. And, do you really like vlogging?
Yes.
Oh, gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-vlog. So, pinagamit ko yung GoPro sa kanya para siya yung bala siya kung anong sabihin niya sa vlog niya. So, kaya halos parang raw vlog yung kay Holly, kasama yung mga boys. So, ayan, ready na siyang i-take over yung vlog ko. And, pag may time ako, baka ito yung ito yung pinaka-latest vlog natin. Baka ma-upload ko siya today. We'll see kung may oras ako. Kasi uploading yung aking vlog also na, yung birthday ni Holly. Pero siguro ihang ko muna yon. Ito muna, para updated naman tayo. So, yun guys. So, are you ready to do your intro? Come on!
Hi guys! Welcome to All Things Holly! Oh, I forgot something guys. I'm taking over Mommy's vlog today. And we're going Halloween shopping! And that's going to be fun. And we're going to decorate this with spider webs. And the boys will be surprised. And I'm going to get my very scary costume. And it's going to be fun. And we got some ready baskets. But Mom's going to wash that because my papa wants yucky. And it's going to be excited because we get lollies and trick-or-treating. And we'll meet you there, guys. Before we go, guys, I'm going to show my OOTD and my shoulder bag. So let's show my OOTD. So this is my jumper. That's pretty nice. This is my t-shirt that has long sleeves with a butterfly. And this is my nice snowflake pants. And now I'm going to get my bag, guys. Okay guys, I'm all ready. I got my koala bag and Dad's so busy, and here's my boots, my comfortable boot for good running, and look at my very fast run. Okay, we'll meet you there guys. I forgot guys, I'm gonna hug Daddy. Bye Daddy!
Love you, Shugs.
Love you too.
Have fun.
No.
Can I get my jumper, Papa? And let's go.
Yay!
Turn it off, Papa, because you're gonna feel dizzy.
Bye bye guys! We'll meet guys. We're here at the mountain. It's a nice day, so I'm just gonna wear my sunnies so I don't get some sun in my eye because you might get blind. And that's actually a rhyming. So let's put my sunnies on. And get the list. And let's go and cross the road. And I need to hold Mummy's hand so I don't get run over. What else I'll run away. Let's go to Kmart, guys. Let's go. This is my knife. Only shoulders go so you don't get coronavirus. We have to go back because Mum forgot our muscle was okay.
What I forgot?
Her mask. Okay guys, my Mum's getting her mask now. We got the mask and we got the list. Look at me. I always forget. Alright. So I'm just gonna wait because I don't want to run off. Hey, there's my mom. Putting her mask on. Guys, Mom's getting in sign in, and we're going in Kmart after she does it. And we're outside because Mom has to sign in so we don't get in coronavirus. Okay, let's go. Mom's gonna sign in again, guys. She done it outside, but now she has to do it inside. Okay, we're going inside now. Look at all those crazy decorations. They look so creepy and scary. I don't like watching scary stuff. Guys, look at this creepy skeleton. Look at that one. That's the very scariest one. And look at these costumes. And we have that at home, but we're not going to buy that. And let's go find my costume. Here's all the costumes. Guys, this is all the Halloween costume. Whoa. Guys, I'm just going to find my Halloween costume. And it's going to be scary. Scary. Guys, some of the costumes are big for me, but I found look at the hat. Whoa, too many. Let's see. Guys, let's try this one. Whoa. Wow, it looks like my hair's coming out, but it's not actually. And we're gonna buy one of them.
You like that one?
Yeah, and these.
Oh,
Like
which one?
I want this one, makeup and makeup. And this, because Mom loves it, so I'm just gonna get it. And I'm gonna get a witch Halloween costume. And I think we need a card because look how many stuff I got. So let's get a card. Let's get this one, guys. Let's go. Guys, I didn't find any scary clothes. Guys, I love this one, but it's not actually my size, so I gotta put it back. But I pretty love it, so which one? Guys, I love this one as well, but it's not my size as well. Which one should I get? Guys, this is pretty too. I'll show it to you. But it's actually not my size as well. See, let's look at that. Guys, it's too hard to find a size I want. And I think I should get this one or that one.
This one? This is for baby.
Not that one. No.
This is for baby.
No. Guys, look at this one, but it's size 12. So I can't get it. It's so big. Whoa. Guys, I think comment down below if you like this one because that looks so cute. Yours looks so selection. This one's cute, but it's not actually scary. I want a scary one. Like Mommy's looks nice, so I want a scary one. Oopsie. Again. Oopsie again. I like it for her. I think I need it.
Put it there, Baba.
This one. I don't like this. Alright, how about this one? Oh my god, Mom, I just found the one I want. My size.
Let me see. Alright, you want this?
Yeah, it's creepy.
It's creepy? Okay.
Finally, guys, I got my costume that's scary. I think we have to get one for Quizat. For Quizat, I think Quizat doesn't want one because I think he doesn't want to go Halloween. But let's see which one Quizat likes. Anything is scary. What do you think we're gonna choose for Quizat? I think he'll love. How old is he, Mom?
You don't know how old Kuya's are.
8?
Yeah, 8.
Oh. If he's 8, we have to find a size like 8.
We got 5.
Oh, you're 4.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Almost
Another
5.
one on the line.
Yeah. Well, 4 or 5. That's the 5th one, yeah.
Pick it up and put it right there. Listen, again. That's alright because you is that the
3
X?
boys, 2 girls. Yeah, no, don't say that. I'm running this way now.
Hurry up, Baba.
Found it, Mommy!
See scary one?
Yeah, it's size 8.
Let me see. For Kuya Zach?
Yeah.
Let me see. You think Kuya Zach will wear it?
Yeah, I think.
You think?
But Quizat wants the other zombie one.
Zombie? We don't see zombie.
No, the other one, that scary one, the green one.
The one he had?
Yeah.
That was last year, Baba.
Yeah, but he can still wear it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're not gonna get that for Kuya
I
Zach?
think just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Alright, just in case.
But I got.
How about Kuya TJ?
I think he doesn't want one.
He doesn't
But
want one?
Let's just give him one if he wants a trick or treat, though, just in case.
Just in case.
So how old is Queen TJ? 6?
No.
9? 10?
More, yes, 10.
10. I think we should get him a mask, guys. It's not scary at all. Just move.
You have to show it to them.
This one.
I don't think so Kuya TJ will wear that one. Show the one you're holding, Baba. You think Kuya TJ will wear that? Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You think so? Can you wear it? Come on, try it. You just have to try it.
It's too big for me.
No, it's not. Let me see. Come on.
Hi, Georgia.
Oh! Is that your classmate?
Yeah. Guys, I see my classmate. It's Georgia.
It's Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Are you looking for costume as well?
Yes, everywhere's sold out except
I know.
See you, Georgia.
See you, Georgia. See ya.
Okay, guys, I think we're done with our costumes. Let's go look for the decorations now. Come on. Ooh. Mommy, look at this silly pumpkin head.
Let me see. That's bigger than. Let me see. That's bigger than you. Look at this one. Oh, that's nice. Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. I'm gonna put it back. Whoa. Ooh. I'm enough now. Nice snapping. Look at this one. And there's a button. I don't want to press it. Put it. It's very red.
Try, press it. Hold it, hold it.
I don't know which button.
That one. Say pressed here.
Oh, the red button?
Yeah.
I shouldn't be mushy. She can mushy. Alright, I'm going to think my bag can press it. Right
Come
there.
on.
Is it turned red or white?
I'm not sure.
Because I saw it red. Come on, press it.
Press it hard.
I need it myself. Just for you.
Hold it. Nagulat siya. Go hold it. Hold it. That's where you put the lollies.
That's where you put the lollies?
Yeah, here. Go hold it.
Inside the bowl. Don't press the button.
Yeah, you.
Don't press the button. What are you doing? Wow. What are you doing?
Come on.
I want to press the button. You press it for once. No, don't.
Oh, don't drop it. Don't.
Stop.
Come on.
Okay, we should
Come on. No. Hold it.
But Mom.
Come on. Hold it, Papa.
I don't want to hold it.
Please.
I hold it for once.
No. Come on, hold it. Takot siya.
It's creepy because I don't want to watch Pennywise ever again. And I'm not.
It's not Pennywise.
It is.
It's not. Go. Come on. Come on, Holly. Hold it now. I thought you're
You
tough.
press the button for false.
Okay. Come here. Come here. Come on, hold it. Don't drop it.
Oh yeah, I don't.
Oh, don't drop it. Oh.
Welcome to my haunted house.
You want that? You said we're gonna find some decoration. Ayaw niya.
I want only spider web.
Gusto niya lang web. Spider web. Alright. Let's find that.
Guys, we didn't find spider web, so we're here to find my new hat for Kindy, guys. I think. Let's try this one. No, this one.
Is that your size? 4 to 6?
4 to 6, yeah, 4 to 6. Oh, I know why it gets wiggly though, because my hairband is on. So I think we should buy this one. Because my
Try it first.
Look at Mom, my hairband's on because it's big because my bone.
Okay. Let me... Wait. I'm just gonna have a look first. Go.
See, my bone's squished, so I think that's it. Like,
You like that one?
yeah, I love this one.
How about this one? This one you can tie.
Big.
No, you can tie this one. Oh yeah, 7 to 10. How about this one? 4 to 6. This
4
one.
to 6?
Yeah.
That's the same.
Yeah, but this one has protection at the back, and you can. Wait. You can. Wait. You can adjust this at the back. See here.
Oh,
Okay.
I like the flower
Okay.
one.
We're gonna get that one and that one.
Yeah.
All right. You good?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Boy, now safe.
I'll fix it.
Okay, guys, there's no spider web, so we're gonna go to another shop so we can find a spider web decoration, guys. And now we're gonna just pay because we gotta pay for the money because yay! And we're going to next time.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, we're in the cashier now. Now we're gonna pay.
No, thank you.
Need to dump it around. Need to make a trick there. Okay, have a good day. Do you want that trolley?
Did you say thank you?
Okay, see you later.
See ya. Guys, we're gonna get. Why is it blurry?
All right, give me the bag, Papa.
Guys, we're gonna eat now because I'm getting hungry, me and my mom, and I'm gonna have a nice watermelon smoothie because that will be nice. And I'm gonna order sushi because that's my favorite. And now we'll go to the yummy restaurant. Okay, guys, this is what I wanted for decoration. Some spider web, like this fluffy because I really want to decorate it for Halloween. So, yeah. Too sad, but I'll get it next time. But we're going to another shop. Guys, Mum finished ordering my smoothie and now we're going to get sushi. Here we are. Sushi. Yum. Yeah. That's the sushi, guys. Guys, we got the sushi and now we're just waiting for the smoothie. It looks delicious. But first we have to wash our hands. Thank you, Mum. Scrub it properly. Just getting the smoothie. Yay, yummy smoothie. I ordered a watermelon smoothie. Yummy sushi. I think, yeah, I think my thing's ready because it's so tasty. Oh, thanks, Mum. Have a sip. Let's eat our sushi now, guys. There's lettuce, sun, holy, spirit, alien. Apologies and thank you for my food.
Okay.
Eat this sushi.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Yum. It's so good, guys. This is chicken with rice in a sushi because that will taste good. I can't actually do this, it's so hard. I can't do this. Why is it so hard to change with the level? Let's eat the best chicken. Let's put some soy sauce. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Send it. This is my second one.
Are you cold?
So lost, I think I have a drink. Okay, you want to have a drink, guys? There you go. My phone. I will put this on so it doesn't spill. Oh, pops out still, guys. Oh, let's see who's the winner. Mommy, I'm going to save this bit for my brother Kazak. doesn't spill in the car. That's what I'm doing. Guys, I'm finished with my sushi. I'm lifting over between that because he actually loves sushi. Yummy, yummy for my brother.
Is this real?